Hey everybody. So I wanted to bring you to GoNoodle. GoNoodle is a great site that we use at our school for brain breaks frequently and also to help teach mindfulness. Our principal in our morning assemblies talks a lot about mindfulness and plays some of these mindfulness videos like this one right here to teach kids how to stay calm, how to respond when they start feeling that anxiousness and build up. And I wanted to show this to you. This could be used again in your classroom for your students. It can be used school-wide like we do in our morning assembly time. And then also there's a spot over here we'll get to where you can invite parents to become aware of this, and then they can use this at home as well. All you have to do is go to gonoodle.com. It's free. You can sign up as an educator. And then over here in this upper left-hand corner, here's where you can invite parents. I thought that was pretty cool to allow parents to know about this in your classroom. There's categories right here where it will take you to curricular categories. They play videos that have to do with, let's see, math, for instance. A lot of these are songs. They're going to get them up and moving. If we look at skip count to 100, we'll look at it for about 2 seconds here. So they stand up and they get physical when these songs come on.
100, 100, 100, 100 emojis on this Jaguar. 100 days of school so far. What do you say we count to 100 by twos? I got this. 4.
Okay. So you get the idea. And then let's go back to categories. This down here, the mindfulness, I love that. Again, that's kind of like what that first one was. Let's look at manage stress really quick. I really like these down here that are teaching them how to stay calm. So let's unwind really quickly. These are ones that we play, like I said, at the beginning of the school day in our morning assemblies. Our principal does this school-wide with the kids, teaching them techniques like this. Again, is great for their stress and anxiety, and just with us being a trauma-informed school, helping those children who face trauma at home.
Stand tall with a little space around you. We'll wind up first. Start by making fists.
Okay, and we go through this together, either in the classroom or, again, school-wide.
Now let's unwind.
It's pretty cool. Yes. Okay, go back to categories, because down below there's sensory and motor skills as well, and school life looks pretty fun. And movement. There's all sorts of different videos on here that you could use, again, for brain breaks or to teach something. Right here are the mindfulness ones. Flow, thought that was really cool. Kids Bop, we know that. And then Zumba, thought that was super awesome. So also really quick, the ISTE standards that I chose for this would be educator. As a learner, I chose 1A, and then also as a leader, I chose 2C. And then for the TPACK standards, I chose the pedagogical content knowledge number 3. So I think I've answered all of the questions for this one. I hope you enjoyed GoNoodle and can start using it. Thank you.